All right, so this is the back page of your review. We did a lot of examples of this one, so I'm looking at the back page of this. We know that the first thing we're going to do when we're reflecting over intersecting lines is we draw a straight line from A to the point of intersection. Now remember my degrees of rotation, it's supposed to double between line 1 and line 2 to get there. So between A and line 1 is X, and I'm going to make between A and line 2 is Y. Now, one of the reasons I'm doing this, even though you've seen it done multiple ways, I've just had everybody share out, and I went over what was right or wrong. This tells me I'm going to reflect over line 2 first, then reflect over line 1. We haven't ever done that before. So that's why I'm doing this, to remind you. Some of you are like, I just did this whole packet. Tells you to reflect over line 2 first, then line 1. Okay, the whole packet does. So if you've looked at it, if you've reflected over line 1 first and then line 2, that's why. So I'm going to reflect over line 2. So you can use patty paper, you can use a mirror. You can just know I'm reflecting this over line 2, so it's got to be the same on the other side. So here is A prime, there's Y. Okay? Now I'm going to reflect A prime. So we know that's a common mistake. We want to go back to A. Don't. We reflect A image over the whole thing. It's really discouraging to me that I am literally doing one of your problems for you, and some of you do not have a pen or pencil in your hand. Get one out. You should be writing this down. So this is X, Y, Y. On the other side, we should get X, Y, Y. There's my A double image. And then on your work tomorrow, it'll say line 1 to line 2. You got to write it in for your homework. The distance is X plus Y degrees. And A to A double image. What's the distance between here to here? Should be double it. 2X plus 2Y degrees. Okay? So the degree of rotation doubles. Okay? Again, you can use patty paper. You can use the mirror tomorrow during the quiz. You can just do it like I do, where I'm like, okay, that side has to be the same as that side. Okay? Questions? Yeah, I can zoom in. Okay. I am stopping this, though. You'll have the rest of the hour to work on your review.